Okay, so this is a perfect day to work on this cooling breath that I want to show you. If you can't see, the sun is like blazing in on my back deck, and so it's really warm, which I love because at heart I am always a Floridian, and so I love like the heat and the warmth and the humidity. I know, call me crazy, right? But anyways, so I wanted to teach you, since summer is coming, or it even feels like it's here right now. So this is a breath that you can work on, like breath control that you can work on. It's a prana from yoga. To help cool your internal system. So it could be because you're just outside and feeling overheated or something like that, but it could also be that your internal state is feeling very chaotic and elevated, and you just need to take yourself down a little bit. It could also be that your nervous system is on high alert from pain and things like that. And so this is just to help kind of cool you down, calm you down, okay? Before we get started on the breath technique here, the prana, I want you to make sure that you're sitting in an upright position. So you can have your legs crossed, or you can be sitting on your shins in like a hero pose, if you know what that is. And if you need some elevation so you're more comfortable and you aren't slumping, right? So you can sit on some type of a pillow, like a cushion, a meditation cushion, or folded blankets or towels, whatever works for you. But giving yourself that height underneath your sit bones helps you become a little bit more straight through your spine, okay? Especially if you have some tightness in your hips. This is a really great way to get yourself elongated through your spine, okay? So before we begin, you're gonna find a comfortable seated position, making sure your sit bones are grounded on whatever surface you're on, okay? You want your rib cage stacked on top of your pelvis so you're not slumping. Okay, and you're reaching tall through the crown of your head, because now in this position, your diaphragm is able to move easier with your breath. And when you're doing prana, you can be moving that energy, that life source through your body, through your chakras, okay? I will say that for this breath, you do need to be able to roll your tongue. So if you can't, there's another good prana that you can do through your teeth, but I'm going to show you, this one is through a rolled tongue. So we're going to do 10 rounds, and I'm just going to walk you through it first and then we'll do it together. So you inhale through a curled tongue, okay? So, and you can feel the coolness of the air coming in. So it's a slower inhale through the curled tongue. Then you bring your tongue inside, and there is a breath retention. If you've never done breath retention, just hold it for a pause, and then you can exhale through your nose slowly. If you've practiced breath retention before, you can try 2 seconds or 4 seconds, whatever feels good in your body, and just notice that moment of calmness, and then exhale through your nose, okay? So we're gonna start on the inhale through our curled tongue. If you wanna close your eyes, you can. So stick your tongue out and we will inhale. Tongue in and hold. Exhale through your nose when you're ready. That was 1 round. Let's repeat. Inhale. Hold. And exhale through the nose. So go at your own pace. You have 8 more. when you're done, just sit with your eyes closed for a moment. Return your breath to normal, natural, whatever feels good. And just kind of notice where you are in your body. How are you feeling, your state of being? If you were feeling a little chaotic and nutsy inside, do you feel any different now? If you were feeling like overheated, as I am feeling a lot of heat from the sun, are you feeling any at any level cooler, right? So that was just one round of 10.